All right, today we're cracking the code on Japanese writing. Let's just dive right in.
Seems complicated, right? Well, Japanese uses 3 scripts. Let's break them down.
Kanji are complex characters, yeah? But the other two? They're simple, phonetic scripts, kind of like our ABCs.
So to unlock the language, you don't start with thousands of characters. You start with the foundation, Hiragana.
And that's it, just 46 simple characters in the whole script. Way more manageable, don't you think?
The best part? Each character always makes the same sound. That consistency is going to be your best friend.
And what's really wild is how simple the foundation is. It all starts with just 5 core vowels.
Yep, these 5 vowels, a, I, U, E, O, are the building blocks for pretty much everything else.
For instance, you just take a consonant like K and combine it with those vowels, boom, new sounds.
You can remember it as a blade cutting a stick. Simple, right? But this is where the system gets brilliant.
See, you don't have to learn a whole new character. You just add a tiny little mark.
Think of this mark as a secret modifier. It's a super efficient way to get more sounds.
Okay, so here's our original ka character. Remember that sound. Now just watch this.
Add that little mark, and ka instantly becomes ga, a new sound with just 2 tiny strokes.
It's a brilliant system. This hack works on tons of characters, so you can expand your vocab fast.
Okay, so how does this actually make words? Well, it's a lot easier than you might think.
The process is really that simple. Let's give it a shot with the characters we already know.
Remember the apple character and the eyes one? Let's just stick them together. And just like that, you've read your first word, I, which means love. Let's try one more.
All right, we've got our ka character and the modified G one. What do you get when you combine them? You just read kaji, which means key. See? You're already starting to unlock the language.
So the key takeaway is that Hiragana is consistent. It's a phonetic system, and it's your ticket in.
Once you get this one system, the whole language just opens up. So what'll you learn to read next?